Hi guys, welcome back to Cooking with Diska. Today I want to show you how to make soto. Soto is Indonesian traditional soup. We cook it with Indonesian herb and spices. And soto itself have so many variety. In Indonesia, every province they have their own soto recipe. Like we have Soto Medan, Soto Makassar, Soto Betawi, Soto Padang, and a lot more of it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Soto Medan. Medan is a capital city of North Sumatra, is where my husband comes from. So let's get started. For the paste, we need shallot. In Perth, sometimes usually it's hard to find shallot and it's more expensive. You can substitute as well to red onion. And we have turmeric, ginger, garlic, coriander and cumin seed. For this, you can also use the powder. It's gonna do same as well. For the dry ingredient, we have lemongrass, kafir lime leaf, bay leaf, and galangal. If you're not familiar what galangal is, please check my galangal fried chicken video, and then I give a little bit explanation about galangal. And we also have oil, salt, sugar, pepper for taste, water, and coconut milk. First, we're going to make a paste. I'm going to cut the ingredient to small pieces, so it's easier for us to blend the ingredient. Just chop roughly. Little bit of oil to blend. Turn on the heat to medium heat. Add oil. Add the paste. We're going to add the dry ingredient, but before that, I like to smash it a little bit to get more flavor more out. A little bit like this. See. We add our leaves and stir well. You can put your heat too low because you have to make sure you really cook the paste, because if it's undercooked, it's going to give you like a bitter taste. So we have to make sure the paste is cooked well. You can see from the color, and also the oil is separate from the paste. It's time for add the chicken. We will boil this until the chicken is cooked. While we're waiting for our chicken is cooked, we're going to prepare the other condiment we need for the soto. So we need cabbage, tomato, spring onion, and also I have boiled egg that I already boiled before. You can boil 1 or 2 eggs. And this other ingredient, we're gonna add it raw, so you don't have to cook it. We're just gonna slice thinly and cut into cubes. You know, people think cook Indonesian food is hard, and then they think that the spices and the herb is so hard to find, but it's not. You know, like I'm not in Indonesia, I'm in Perth, and I can easily find like herb and spicy. You don't have to find like very authentic one. You can always find substitute, like you can always use the powder if you don't have the whole one, and then if you don't have like a shallot, you can use red onion, so just make easier, but it still give you nice and authentic flavor, believe me. Boil now, and the chicken also already changed the color. It's time for us to add the coconut milk. You have to really very careful with the coconut milk. Cook with the medium heat, not too high, and you have to keep an eye, always stirring it. If not, the coconut milk with break is not what you call it. It's not like come together with the broth. So make sure you always keep an eye and stir and mix very well. So we're going to leave this until it's boiled. Waiting for our broth, we're going to make another condiment. It's very easy. We need rice vermicelli or bihun, and you just need boiled water and strainer. Just put like this, very easy. Just for a few minutes until it's soft. If you want to eat it later, probably you can just refresh it with cold water, but because I'm gonna eat soon, so doesn't matter. Our broth is ready now. I'm going to strain the chicken. Set aside. And I'm going to add salt, pepper, and sugar for taste. Yum. Okay, our broth is ready now, so I'm going to set this aside because we're going to have another process until it's done. So the next step is we're going to fry the chicken, not too deep fry, just a little bit until the skin is crunchy. But if you prefer not to fry it, you can do it as well. But in the original recipe, we're going to fry it. We will fry it until the color is golden brown. is ready now. It don't have to be fried too long because it's already cooked. We only want the crunch and the color. We're going to shred the chicken now. You can use the hand, it's more easier. But it's hot now, so I think I'm just gonna use the fork and the tongs. Finally guys, it's time for us to put it together. Look how many the condiment it is. It's all look beautiful, isn't it? Let's get started. First, the noodle. Cabbage. Chicken. And we add our soup now. Very nice smell. Okay. Next, we're going to put tomato. Spring onion. Put our boiled eggs. And I have this, we call it perkedel. It's kind of like a potato pancake. And next time I will show you how to make this. This is very good with the soto as well. So we put one. And I have fried shallot. You can put it or not, it's okay. And I have, we call it emping or melinjo crackers. I'm not sure what in English is, but it is from the like a fruit. I will show you the picture here or there. So it's melinjo crackers. Lime for freshness. I have sambal too, but I'm going to put it later, but because I'm going to try the original one first. But before I do that, I'm gonna give this honor to my very best friend Chris. She's from Philippines, and then she really liked this soto, and then she been asking me like, Diska, please cook soto, please cook soto. There it is. I will call her now.
Hi everyone, I'm going to try Diska's soto.
This is your favorite food, isn't it?
I know, right? I love it. I just love this one.
And then she's from Philippines, but she really love it.
I love Indonesian food.
Yeah.
I love it. This is good with the rice as well.
Yeah.
Because we are Asian, we love rice.
We cannot live without rice.
I know.
Even though there is noodle in it, but still, rice number one, isn't it?
Yes. Oh, let's try to.
Nice. You
Very
said you
nice.
really miss it.
You guys have to try this. This is absolutely beautiful.
We also have this sambal. Remember my video sambal for soup? You can use this one as well for this because we like spicy, don't we?
Yes.
Can I put a little bit?
Yes, please. Is this really, really spicy?
Well, don't try. Just mix it together. Good. Perfect now. Alright then guys, thank you so much for watching me today, and if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe my channel for more Indonesian inspiration for cooking home idea. She keep eating.
I'm sorry guys, okay? I'm sorry. Let her talk.
She's not helping with the closing anyway. Okay guys, thank you very much for today. See you and bye.
Bye.